Hi traders, welcome to Morning Report. It's really nice to have something to talk about this morning. I just got a few pairs that I'm eyeing up today if they set up, and I want to take a look at the New Zealand USD and Aussie USD as well. So with that being said, let's get housekeeping out of the way. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not give financial advice, and by watching this video you agree not to hold me responsible for any of the information shared, and you take full responsibility for any decision you make regarding the trading. So with that being said, let's get into it. Let's quickly just go and have a look at the Aussie USD. It's been a great little trade, and it got in after I went to bed last night. It's really nice to wake up. There's the entry just up in here. I've added to it again this morning, just down in there. And we're looking good. I'll be taking profit off any first and second positions that are still open here at 70, and then we'll wait and see what happens after that. New Zealand USD, nice little trade. This is where the entry was. Profit targets have been taken. I'm looking to add again just in here. Get rid of this and make this a little bit nicer. The public penny was waiting under there. Right, the next ones I want to have a look at are pound AUD. I really like the potential of this here. We've got the daily. And you can see here that there looks like a decent bottom has been formed down in here. And this was the original trade when it broke up through here. And now we've had the retest, and it's come back and pretty much retested. You can see it just in here. Retested that area, and it looks like it's moving up. Now there's two ways that I'm going to approach this. I'm seriously considering, before the market daily candle change takes place today, I may well get in. I think I'm going to dip my toe in with a couple of positions here now, because it's broken these highs up here, and then I'll load it up again if we break this time and move on up. So that's number one trade. I'm also looking at the pound New Zealand as well, and I've just got a couple of pending orders sitting up in here again. This looks like a pretty good bottom. We couldn't break any lower here. This was the low point. I did try to break lower, it couldn't. Came back up into this range, and it looks like this is the bottom, and I will be dipping my toe in the water with a couple of little lot sizes. Then if we break and get a close above this area and take this high out, I will be adding to the trade again. There's nothing else on the radar at the moment. Just waiting to see. We've got less than a week before the results of the elections. The other one that I have got my eye on is this pound paddy, and if I get a close above here, because this is a real key area where price has reacted in the past, right in there. And if we can get a close above here, I will be looking at taking a market order or putting pending orders, and would expect to see something happen around the London Open if this thing is going to move. The other one that I want to have a quick look at is the gold. Gold's dropped below 1900 last night, and here's my mark in the sand. And if we get a retest of this area here, I'll be looking for a bounce, but I'll also be jumping in if we get it close below this area. Silver has done a similar thing. We've got a really nice move down here, and 23 for me is going to be a real key area, right in there. If we get it close below this, I will be taking this out. Now let's just finish off with the dollar index. You can see here that we've just got locked in this range. When we get a close below here, if we get a close below here, this could change some things on those Aussie USD and New Zealand USD pairs. If we get a good move down, I think we're going to see a bit of strength in the Kiwi and Aussie in those pairs. It will be more about weakness in the US dollar against those pairs and strength in the Kiwi and Aussie. Likewise, if we get a close up here and we see another move up, that's going to be boding really well for our Aussie USD and New Zealand USD trades. Okay, that's all I have for you. So take care, protect your capital, take your profits when they're there, and be patient and wait. You know, we had quite a bit of action over the last 24 hours. And it's really nice to get back into the thick of it again. But we've had some really lean times over the last couple of weeks. So, you know, you get your good times and, you know, where you can make a lot of money, and you get your leaner times. And in those times, we need to be patient and wait for our setups, and just take a few nickels and dimes that are on offer during those quiet, flat market periods. So take care out there. Like I said, please protect your capital, take your profits. Stick to your strategies as long as your strategies have been working and your trading styles have been working. Just, you know, don't throw it out the window. Just wait. There's always going to be another day, and there's always going to be another trade around the corner. We'll talk to you in the chat. Cheers.